YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Miltnificent coming back with another quick review. Actually, no sneaker review, nothing. It's just like what I do in my spare time. So I flip the camera over here so you can see, got the basil on deck. I actually do some gardening right here. So it's like my mini garden. Whenever I get a chance, I come out here. I got a little green thumb, you know. It's just some things that I do on the side when I can. I think my tomato grape plant is coming together. See some tomatoes there on deck. So, you know, your boy Miltnificent does more than just sneaker reviews, tech reviews, sports guy. He's also a green thumb. I'm just saying. So, I mean, like, it's a lot of people was asking, like, what do I do in my spare time outside of reading and working and, you know, playing with the fam. You know, I'm an everyday guy, man. I'm nothing crazy, nothing special, but hey, I just want to show my garden because my garden is the pride and joy. It's my pride and joy. I take very good pride in doing this. It's something my mom's been doing, my dad's been doing. I mean, my sister does, so it kind of runs in the family. All right, so your boy Miltnificent, I'm signing off. Happy Sunday.